Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, which I call Eating Thin with Gwen. And I'm all about living a healthy lifestyle, putting good, nutritious, healthy foods into our bodies, and exercising. And most importantly, we can't leave out feeding our minds and our spirit and our soul with the healthy nutrition which only comes from the Word of God. So that's what I'm all about, just living a complete and full, healthy lifestyle, mind, body, and soul. And so today I got this idea. This is for a little breakfast recipe. I got it from my friend Rochelle, and she had stewed some peaches. She had a croissant and she stewed some peaches and poured it over the croissants, and she said it was really good. And I said, oh, I gotta use that. So I bought some peaches. I have these peaches that I got from the local farmer's market, and I don't have any croissants, but I do have these gluten-free waffles. They're frozen. They come in the frozen food section. I do have these that I'm going to use, and they're very good. They're vegan. Of course, if you're not vegan, you can get any kind of waffles or even over pancakes. So I'm going to use these and stew these down just a little bit with a little brown sugar, cinnamon, and a little nutmeg, and then pour them over the waffles, and then we'll see how it tastes. Peel and slice the peaches into wedges. I added about 1.5 teaspoons of plant-based butter. Use whatever butter you like, of course. I added 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and as you'll see, I did add a tablespoon of maple syrup. But to keep this healthier, you can leave out the brown sugar, and if you want it a little sweet, just add a little bit of the maple syrup. That will make it even healthier. Add a few sprinkles of nutmeg to taste. Add a few sprinkles of cinnamon to taste. Added a tablespoon of maple syrup. Here, if you're adding maple syrup, make sure it's pure maple syrup, not pancake syrup. And I stewed the peaches for about 5 to 7 minutes until they were good and soft. I toasted the waffles, and now I'm about to pour my good stewed peaches over the toasted waffles. I'm also adding some fresh blueberries that I got from the local farmer's market. Blueberries are very good, nutritious fruit. So just to give it some added nutrition, I'm adding the blueberries. See how good that looks? Really good. Kind of tastes, it has of course, peach cobbler flavor on it with the nutmeg and the cinnamon. Again, I sprinkled on some blueberries that I had gotten from the farmer's market. So good, you all. You got to give this a try. Quick, simple, and it's ingredients that you can read. Brown sugar, maple syrup, little vegan butter. If you're not vegan, you can use regular butter. Waffles, and very simple, very quick breakfast that you can enjoy and not feel guilty about. All right. Very good, very good. You know, I always say the quote, 3 John 1 and 2, Beloved, I wish above all things that thou shalt prosper and be in health, even as your soul prospers. We don't want to leave our souls out. We want our bodies to prosper and be in health, but we also want our souls and our spirits to be in health. That means feeding it also with the Word of God, so that we can know who we are and whose we are. All right? Thank you for joining and tuning in. I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe to my channel, where I'm all about just giving good, healthy eating advice and recipes. All right? Thank you. Have a blessed and wonderful day. God bless. Mm-hmm.